The snap of internet services has been extended till December 16 across Assam to curtail the Anti-Citizenship Act protests. The extension of internet ban is necessitated to prevent the large-scale mobilization of protesters. An angry Rahul Gandhi tore into the government for asking him to apologize for rape in India. Comments he made on sexual violence at a recent rally, asking a massive crowd in Delhi if he should apologize for speaking the truth. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Cut News. You're watching the mainstream at 6. I'm Sarim So now the news in details. The snap of internet services has been extended till December 16 across Assam to curtail the Anti-Citizenship Act protests. The extension of internet ban is necessitated to prevent the large-scale mobilizations of protesters. The administration is hopeful of significantly restoring the law and order situations over the next 48 hours, which would allow the resumptions of the net services. Internet services were first restricted on Wednesday in some part of Assam, which had emerged as the breeding ground for the ongoing agitations against the Citizenship Act. The connections were officially snapped across 10 districts on Thursday after the passage of Citizenship Amendment Bill in Rajya Sabha evoked a violent reaction from the demonstrators. In the state capital Guwahati, in which emerged the second major spot of the unrest after Dibrugarh and Bongaigaon, broadband connections have also been snapped. The measures. These measures is aimed to restoring normalcy and preventing violence in the state. An angry Rahul Gandhi tore into the government for asking him to apologize for rape in India. Comments he made on sexual violence at a recent rally, asking a massive crowd in Delhi if he should apologize for speaking the truth. Rahul had used the term rape in India to speak out against sexual crimes, and what he says is Prime Minister Narendra Modi's silence on a former BJP leader's involvement in a rape case. Today at Ramlila Maidan in Delhi, where the Congress held a Bharat Bachao rally, Rahul said his name was not Rahul Sarwarkar. He refused to apologize for the truth. He said it was Prime Minister Modi and Amit Shah who needed to apologize to the nation before launching an all-out attack on the government on a number of issues, including the protests in the northeast and the Indian economy. Alright, so that's a wrap of this edition at the mainstream at 6, but lots more coming up on the other side. Do stay with us.